Hey folks, Nate Gilman here from MMC's first software that makes getting your Coast Guard license really simple. We just released a TWIC Exemption Memo generator, which is pretty cool. So if you need a TWIC for work, this isn't going to work for you. But if you don't need a TWIC for your job, this is awesome. It's going to save you $125.25, not to mention the pain in the butt of going to figure out where to get your TWIC, renew it, all that part. It's just done. Couple clicks of a button, we're good to go, right? So we find it on the home screen. So you're gonna click home if you're not already there, and it works on the renewal or the upgrade page, but I'm gonna do it on the renewal. So we hit renewal, scroll down to TWIC, and you'll see here on the TWIC side, if you have a TWIC that's valid already, or you just renewed it, you can submit your renewal receipt or your current valid TWIC. You can add that under TWIC documents, but right below that, we have generate TWIC exemption. Typically, it's vessels under 200 gross tons that you're working on, or you have your own private boat and you just have a Coast Guard license just to have it in general. You don't need a TWIC to work. You only need a TWIC if you need it for work. You don't need it to renew or upgrade your Coast Guard license. And really, with just a couple clicks of a button, hit generate TWIC exemption memo, verify all this information is correct. If it's not correct, update your MMC's profile. And when you're updating your profile, you have to update the information and then verify everything. Go all the way through to the end and click save. When you click save, that'll update and save everything in your profile. So make sure you go all the way to the end and save. Once you've saved, you can hit continue, and you'll see it's created a perfect TWIC exemption memo for us with all the right words that we need. Looking good, ready to go. Double check and verify everything is correct. And then you're going to e-sign it right here. So I'm going to sign it in, Nate Gilman. And when I e-sign it, we're done. So when I hit e-sign, you'll see the TWIC has gone green on your checklist, which is awesome. Go over to My Documents, under Supporting Documents. There you'll see it's assigned, ready to go, digital signature that's accepted by the Coast Guard. TWIC exemption memo. So one more thing, done. Right, couple minutes, you're good to go. I'm Nate from MMC's. I'm looking forward to figuring out how to help you get, renew, and upgrade your Coast Guard license. Have a great rest of your day.